Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hulu on Apple TV 4K, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Hulu on your Apple TV 4K, start by ensuring your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your remote to access the main screen. Locate and select the App Store icon. In the App Store, navigate to the search bar and type Hulu. Once you find the Hulu app, select it to open the apps page. Click on the Get button to download and install Hulu on your Apple TV. After the installation is complete, return to the main screen and open the Hulu app. If you already have a Hulu account, select the Login option. You can choose to log in using your email and password or by using a mobile device. For mobile device login, select the Login with Device option. A unique activation code will appear on your TV screen. Now, grab a smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the activation page at hulu.com/activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV. Click the Activate button to link your Hulu account to the Apple TV. Once activated, return to your Apple TV. The Hulu app should refresh automatically. You can now enjoy all your favorite shows and movies on Hulu via Apple TV 4K. That's how you activate Hulu on your Apple TV 4K quickly and easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.